Quickly transform objects and surfaces with the AS118-2 Sandblaster. You will receive a set of accessories to get you going. The Sandblaster gun is designed with portability and durability in mind. Please read and watch our vast instruction library for a better blasting experience. This Sandblaster kit comes with 2 ceramic nozzles, a quick connector adapter, a 7-foot siphon hose with stainless steel pickup tube, and a stainless steel mesh filter for the hopper are included in the kit. Supports a wide variety of media ranging from 46 to 220 mesh size. Make sure you check out our media guide for assistance. The included ceramic nozzles are easily replaceable for other blasting accessories that we provide in our catalog. We have also included safety glasses for your protection. The 1/4 inch quick connector helps you to easily connect the air line in place. For the siphon feed function, simply attach the hose with the tube to the sandblaster. Easily switch functions from gravity feed to siphon feed and vice versa with the adjustable regulator knobs. Please see our instructions for reference. This versatile sandblaster has a wide range of applications, from glass etching, stripping off paint, to water blasting. What are you waiting for? Just blast it.